Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we finally squeezed the squeeze we've been talking about to 43,000. We've actually popped over 43,000. We're going to talk about what's going to happen next with cryptocurrency today with a little bit of proof to back this thing, not just me. Let's talk about it, guys. Smash that like button. I want to show this to you guys real quick. We're going to dive directly in this. I don't want to waste any time at all. Right now, check it out over here. We did what we said we were going to do, blasting into this area right here. It happened a little faster than I thought it would happen, honestly, but that was expected. The market's open this week. There's a lot of bullish catalysts in the market this week, but this could all come to a real fast end really quick here, guys. So be very careful treading forward what's going on. We broke over this level, this 43,000 level, but really the big resistance is actually right here, right at the top of this candle, this 43,500. And some people would even argue that it's actually right here at 43.7. So we could actually push a little bit higher, guys. I'm not actually that bearish in the moment in the very short term. If we squeeze over this, we could even get a squeeze up to 45,000. I would say anything over 45,000, we're completely invalidating the thesis that we're going down, but everything is indicating that we're going to go down before we go up. If you guys look at what happens every halving, this happens. And don't take my word for it. Crypto banter, crypto dump loading, 3 reasons why he's bearish. Crypto pump, then dump by Andy Bitcoin Census. It could all happen soon. This right here, he's saying that it's going to dump to 32,000 before the halving. How about this guy right here, Crypto Crew University? He said it. He said it 11 days ago that this was going to happen, that Bitcoin was going to dump. While everybody was saying it was going up, he said it was going to dump. How about this one right here? This is a huge Bitcoin bull trap from Crypto Rover. So I just pulled up 5 separate YouTubers, bigger ones, much bigger ones than me, and they all have the same thesis, and these are all brand new videos aside from this one 11-day-old video right here. These guys are huge influencers, and they're all saying the same thing, that we're going to experience a massive dump. And you know what happens when you get enough fear in the market? When all these influencers warn everybody that there's going to be a dump, we all take profits. That's what happens. I took a ton of profits today, guys. When this pump happened, I took a ton of profits on this thing right here. It didn't update my stablecoin portfolio. You can see I actually went down in crypto. About $6,000 almost I went down in crypto. If we want to just add up what I actually sold, I sold $5,347. I have it on my Excel spreadsheet over here. I forgot to add it in here, but this is how much stable coins I'm now on. I'm sitting on more stable coins than I was before. Experienced a nice little pump today. 59% in stable coins right here, 10% in G-Zone. That's a little high of an allocation. It's locked right now, can't touch it. The coins, what coins did I reduce? All of the risky ones, guys. Took profits on a lot of risky ones. Where did I take profits? Took profits on Lit Lab Games. Took profits on Seascape Crowns, got rid of a ton, almost all of my Seascape Crowns. Winter Protocol, took profits on Winter Protocol. Metafighter, I was buying a ton of this at the 12 mark the other day. Pumped to like almost 15 today, took some profits on that one. Metastrike. Chain of Legends. I just sold some on Chain of Legends. I want to get back into that. I wouldn't say that that's like a massive profit taker, but that's where I'm at, guys. This is what. Oh, and I completely cut my Kaneko position. It wasn't looking good. I think we can get it at better prices, guys. So when I mentioned Kaneko to you guys, if you guys are invested, that is my update of everything that's going on with the portfolio. But like I said, we could push higher. We could push over this level. We could at least, if we want to go ahead and click on this, we can actually retest like this, push over here, and then if we needed to, try to push over here. Now, if we didn't do that, here's another scenario of what can actually happen here, guys. We could actually pull down, and then push up, and then down, and then up, and then down, and then up, and then down. We could start making like a formation like that, and if you guys want to pull it up on the bigger chart, all we're doing is putting in a lower high, guys. That's all this is. This isn't a major pump. Get your Moon Boy shorts in check, guys. Keep it clean. And if you're up a ton of money like us, I've been recommending these tokens since October and November, guys. You guys are probably up 500+% on a lot of these tokens, especially ones like Metastrike. I've got a couple others in there that we're up so much money on, guys. It is time to start taking a little bit of money off the table, and that is not financial advice. Don't sell your tokens because I said I'm selling my tokens, and then when it pumps to the moon, if it pumps to the moon, you're mad at me and you're suing me for the loss of gains. Just stop. Do your own research. Watch all 5 of these other guys. Crypto Banter. Sheldon's very reputable. This stream was 6 hours ago. He has shorts right now. He's shorting the market right now. I'm not in that position. I'm not putting my money on the idea that it's going down. All I'm doing is taking my money off before the dump happens. Why would I let all those profits flush? I don't want my profits to flush. I'm not greedy. I'm okay. The Dimension airdrop is coming soon. The token's already worth $5. I'm going to get a minimum of $4,000 worth of that. I don't need to sit here with my Moon Boy shorts on trying to get a 100x gain when we've already squeezed every last drop out of this part of the cycle. You know, these next 60 days might be quite bearish, guys. And I'm not trying to be bearish. I'm just trying to keep light on the scenario here, keep you guys in check here, because there is a couple YouTubers that are still trying to pump the markets. And I don't agree with what they're doing, because they're essentially, they're hyping you guys up with that greed. Like, you guys are like that fear of missing out, and you guys are getting greedy, wanting to dive in, trying to get gains. At the end, they should have been telling you to buy months ago. Don't tell people to buy now when we're practically at the top of the market and there's no real catalysts that are going to push this thing much higher anytime soon. The halving is far off, guys. And historically, every Bitcoin halving, in the last 4 Bitcoin halvings, we've had a major dump before the halving. We didn't see the dump yet, guys. This little dump, that is nothing. I mean, I'm expecting this thing to go down to like 35,000. I'd love to see it at 32, but 35 is probably where we're going next. If we don't just reclaim the 37 area right here, probably going to 35, and that's going to give you insane buying opportunities, guys. So, like I said, don't take my word for it. You can check Crypto Banter, you can check Andy, you can check Austin Hilton, you can check Crypto Crew University, Crypto Rover, and many others. I've been watching it all. I've been watching everything unfold, and it all makes sense that we need to go down before we go up. It's okay that this squeeze is happening. We all predicted it. Even Sheldon, even the one who just said that the crypto is going to dump. Last week he told us this squeeze was going to happen. And everybody's like, oh, why is he telling it's going to dump? Well, when he said it was going to squeeze and then it squeezed, you guys all listened to him and you guys dived on. Now he's short on the market and everybody's like, why are you short in the market, Sheldon? Well, because maybe he knows something that you don't know. So it's time for you to learn today. Do your own research and stop being a fool and protect your money, guys. And not to be ignorant, not to clamp down and offend you or anything like that. I just need you guys to use your brains and be smart. Don't act on emotions. Act logically based on what you see on the charts, the technicals, the fundamentals, what's going on here. Don't use your emotions. Moon boy, it's going to the moon. All right, guys? That's all I got for you guys on this video. Smash that like button if you guys got some value. Subscribe to the channel. I'm going to bring you guys more Bitcoin videos, more altcoin videos, everything. This is definitely a DGen channel, so if you guys only have a small amount of money, you guys want to make a ton of money this cycle, then you're in the right place, because I'm bringing you guys tiny projects before they explode 100x. When other YouTubers, the moment they talk about it, it's over. I'm a small guy. Not that many people watch here, so if you're one of the few people that watch here and I recommend a really good token, you'll be one of the first people to get into it. So if that sounds good, then I'll see you here on the next one, guys. Take care and have a great day.